kind of messing around with maintenance stuff as usual. And this is what I'm looking at. Take a look at this. It has like 8 ounces of ground beef twice a day. It's also showing possibly like 2 eggs and 2 pieces of that pre-cooked bacon. So, and some turnips, and just kind of getting an idea of how things could look. And that's 1,800 calories. So I'm thinking that that might be a good way to swap out my yogurt for eggs and bacon, just for something that might sustain me just a little longer. So yeah, I'm just kind of looking at things because I'm satisfied with my lunch and supper. It's just maybe if I add something or change around my breakfast, but I still have all those yogurts. So I'm going to keep eating those, and then we'll see when I run out how things could be. I know I seasoned my stuff that you're going to be seeing me eat here in a minute, but I'm thinking I'm going to take some of this Paula Deen silly salt with me to work, because I won't take a whole lot, but I'll take it in this little container. That's what happens. I get seasonings and I'm like, man, this is so good, I'm going to take it to work. And then I get it to work, and later on I'm like, what was this seasoning? I don't even know, because I only have a few of them that are not in the containers, but I'm taking some of this. So hang on, we're going to write on top of it what it is. There we go. Now I'll know what it is. Paula Deen silly salt. I looked on Amazon. It was, I think, $15. So if when I run out, whenever I decide I need some more, I know I can get her on Amazon. Good old Paula Deen. She's the queen of butter. Mom said that when they got their biscuits, when they were eating there, that it looked like the not biscuits, the bread roll. When they got them, she thought they were glazed because they poured like a special seasoned butter over top of the bread rolls. Oh, don't you know it was good, man? Anything Paula Deen makes is gonna be amazing. All right. Anyway, yeah, I already packed up my lunch at the end of the other video, so I'm not gonna show you that. But now I'm gonna let the dogs out and then get ready for bed. Happy Friday. We have our Too Good vanilla yogurt. So it's vanilla today. Let's see what it says in here. There's little sayings, and I just noticed that. You're a hero. This yogurt helps rescue food to feed communities. I don't know. I guess that brand helps rescue food to feed communities. Anyway, so I'm having my yogurt, and this is what's left of my protein coffee. See you at lunch. Hello, it's lunchtime, and I'm having my ground beef and salsa, and it has that seasoning from Paula Deen on it. Thank you, Mama. I liked it last night. So let's see what we think mixed in with the salsa. Let's see how that flavor is going to work. It's got good flavor. And then the little container that I brought with that seasoning, I've got that over behind me with all my other seasonings, so works well. I like it. Thanks, Mom. Hey. So I've got my pulled pork that I made last weekend. I'm going to go on and add 2 tablespoons of G. Hughes sugar-free honey barbecue sauce, and 2 tablespoons is 30 grams, which is 10 calories. Sugar on grams. I like to put it on before I heat it up so it kind of melts a little bit. Okay. I'm going to heat this up, and I'm also going to heat up my 200 grams of turnips. Okay. So I'm going to give me a fork. If you wanted to use, you could use one of those, like those low-carb wraps, and put this on a low-carb wrap. You could put it on an Egg Life wrap. You know, there's tons of way of eating this if you want to do that. I just eat it plain. Just like I'm out and like as if it was a pork steak, you know what I mean? I do not doing seasoning, so I'm going to add a little bit of my new Paula Deen silly salt. I gotta have some kind of seasoning more than just the barbecue sauce. That's just too sweet, so I want a little more than just that. I think I'm also gonna put just a little bit of what am I looking for? Smoked paprika. Come on. And then, hang on, I know. Never mind. I was looking for, I thought I had some liquid smoke. But I don't. I like that stuff. I like liquid smoke. So, but this will be good enough. This will be just right. So let's taste her and see what we got. I've also had this with cheese. If you like cheese, you can do that. But yeah, it's good by itself or on a wrap. Let's try a turnip. Yep. These were the fried turnips. We're going to make some more tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to try the peeler. So come back tomorrow because we'll try the peeler. We'll try it on the turnip and we'll see if it does anything to this. I doubt it, but hey, it's worth a shot. Okay, bye for now. That's how my macros look for the day. Have a good night, guys.